The battery in my Lotus Elise keeps dying, so Saxon from Schmodified Garage is going to teach me how to install these quick battery disconnects. Saxon, say hi.
Hi.
I got this idea because he has a similar set on his K-Swap Elise project, so I ordered these off Amazon. They're the exact same pair. I think they cost like $16. And because I know you guys are going to come at me for how dirty my battery terminals are and the corrosion, I grabbed one of these kits for $10 at AutoZone. I started by removing the battery and going ahead and cleaning up the terminals because these were just an absolute disaster to begin with. So next thing I had to do was remove these crusty, dusty old terminals and get the new ones on. This is kind of an adventure and kind of the part that I was nervous about, but it ended up not being too bad. I used a set of hydraulic crimpers because this thing did not work for me. And then I got it all buttoned up and was pretty proud of my cable management at this point because the car's wiring was an absolute disaster. And here's the final result.